Axie vastness essentially shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The cost of Axie endlessness really has fallen by 2.38% in the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it in a real sense is currently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Axie basically has its sort of next obstruction at $11.87, which in a real sense is very huge. 31 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness in a real sense is Axie and in every way that really matters. Wise interest in a kind of significant manner, Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. However, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unpretentious way. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a for the most part significant manner. The truly complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $30,011,818,165 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is very huge, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, which basically is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period. Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 2.36, and at present, exchanging at 70 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. These occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of additional appearance how Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is very critical. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they explicitly thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become sort of more fundamentally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors for the most part become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Axie vastness, acts as Axie boundlessness execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of Axie endlessness essentially shows that the Axie's cost especially has a very descending development with a 2.38% diminishing and beautiful beyond 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. The value worth of the Axie limitlessness, Axie's coin really is remaining at $6.02. With market capitalization $846,392,585 United States dollars, which especially shows that following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie's Axie endlessness execution, the in every practical sense. Day-to-day outline of Axie vastness generally shows that the Axie's cost in a real sense has a for the most part descending development with a 2.38% lessening in beyond 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie's cost changes 1.37% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is floating around $52,099 United States dollars, so which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%. Which really is genuinely huge. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 31 July 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time period, really made sense of underneath, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level. After a downfall of 0.47% in an unpretentious manner, we utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA to all things considered. Examine the future development of the Axie infinity. The Axie limitlessness in a real sense has truly break all it certainly upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking generally excellent for the crypto market. Exhibiting how Axie's cost changes 1.37% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume essentially is drifting around $52,099 United States dollars. So which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in an exceptionally huge manner. As of now, in a real sense, bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost underneath the critical help level of $10.21. So Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid. So Axie has its by and large next opposition at $11.87 in an especially significant manner. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day graph, showing that similarly, obstruction all things considered is a level at which vendors especially become move really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from